Hi guys, today we are going to be playing some Subway Surfers today, okay? Let's go. I've gotten really good high scores. I'll show you my high score currently. Still loading. Let's see, 100 Tuesday. What's on more? Check it out, Traffic Tuesday. Let's go. Got a lot of coins up there, as you can see. And let's play. I'm not sure how good I am. No boost, because when I get back home from camping, I'm going to try and do the super run with you guys, okay? Oh yeah, I forgot to show you my high score, but I'll do that right after. Never mind. So, I'll show you my high score. It is 1.69571 mil, or 1,695,714. I think I should upgrade. No, it's not upgrade anything. Let's put some boosts, actually. So you can see my multiplier is actually 30 times because I did grinding. Before my current high score, I actually got like 7 levels because I grinded and did a high score at the same time. But then I couldn't go farther because there were no pogo sticks, and I needed 4 pogo sticks to complete the next mission to get another multiplier. Well, I stopped at 19. My goal was to get to 20, but then I couldn't. Let me get out. Yeah, George is here as well, just watching.
Yeah, I'm right here. Just chilling and vibing with my brother.
Pretty easy.
Yeah,
so
my brothers are for still way better than me.
His boy think, yeah, George, he be thinking that he better.
No, not anymore, because
Yeah, he
I've
used
gotten a
to.
little bit worse. Because the older version, I don't like the newer version. The newer version kind of sucks because they changed the original music, and the original music was like the bomb. I loved it. Like, bro, they had to change it. I just don't know why, but it wasn't that good. But oh, you still got. Yeah, I was a pro now. The highest score that I got on the older version was like 100,000.
And I'm getting millions.
And the older version was like super hard to get to 100,000. And like this version, it's way easier because
There's multipliers.
yeah, there was multipliers in the older version.
It's only like the 2 times.
Yeah, there was the 2 times in the older version, but like the multipliers won't do as much to your score. Now me and my brother get like if we play a regular match.
Oof.
If we play a regular match, we always get to like 100,000.
Oh, we got this. What's this doing?
Oh, you see your key?
Oh, only one.
On. And we also don't spend money on video games.
These 5 score boosters.
We're gonna get a $600 if we get
I'm a collector.
claim. Ooh.
Wait, am I claiming it?
Oh. Oh wait, yeah, you gotta get those like scores again. It's like a daily high score. It's a good way how to make money in this. And obviously my brother needs to get to 600,000 if he's gonna complete all of them in one run. And also there's music playing because my mom and dad are playing music.
I don't know if it's copyrighted or not.
Yeah, we don't know if it's copyright because it probably is. And also, we don't know if this changes like our gameplay of like our other YouTube channel. We don't know if this is still connecting to our regular YouTube channel.
It definitely is.
But if it isn't, you guys should check out our other YouTube channel. It's Leslie Jackson. There's a lot of them, but it's the pink cover one. And we play cats. The cat stands for Crasher and the Turbo Stars. And we play
Roblox,
yeah, but
Subway Surfers, and other
you deleted
games.
the other one because of it was kind of small. My brother is definitely. Hey, Dad. Hey, boxer shoes, jetpack.
Scroll down. I mean, those are a good combination, but
Yeah, but
can't use them.
A magnet is way better with that
Yes, you're right.
because then you don't have to like swipe around everywhere,
Almost at 100,000,
which will be good.
and there we are
And
at
it still
100,000.
needs to get to like 600,000.
What's this?
If he wants to be the daily hash score, those are about to run out, so I wouldn't do that too much. Okay, don't risk it. We're leaving today at camp. We've been here for like 6 days.
So we'll actually just post another video tomorrow. Actually,
Yes, it'll be about it'll be Subway Surfers. And also, if you want to check out our other newest and also then our newest video back at our other YouTube channel, or else these are connected to each other.
probably.
It's trying Ukrainian candy, and it was actually pretty good. Like, bro, who does not like that? Aw. That was a good demo. And also, we used to have like 75 keys.
But then I used it for that run.
Yeah, for a single run. Because we just, and he did get a high score in the millions. And apparently the biggest high score so far is actually
2 bill.
yeah. So, and millions were hard enough apparently. And if Otto wanted to get in like the champion, he'd have to beat the 2 billion still. Well, hold on. Oh, do you want a very strawberry?
A what?
A very strawberry from Starbucks?
A very strawberry?
Yeah, like the drink.
Yeah, whatever.
Like the pink drink. Sorry, I was just. Sorry, what are you doing so good?
Yep.
Sorry, I always go for like daily high score because that's what we really need to beat, so we can get our rewards. And it happens like every day. And if Otto's doing a super run tomorrow, Otto's gonna get like an all-in-one run. But we're saving up for boards and like everything, so
The score boosters.
yeah. And my brother's also quiet when he's sometimes playing games.
That's why I'm pretty quiet right now.
Yeah.
So I can
So
concentrate.
usually I talk.
Yep.
But that year we still have some Ukrainian candy. But still, like my parents want to try it, but we're not having it right now. And also, shout out to the people who gave it to us, but they don't have a YouTube channel. But we definitely are gonna check them out because what they did was
Come out?
No.
Shout out.
yeah,
Just
shout out.
stop. Joe, do you know what I'm talking about? What?
How'd you hit that?
I don't know what I hit.
What do you even hit?
Did I hit thin air?
Yeah, that happens a lot. The lag is so bad. We just don't have an internet connection right now. So like, we don't know. What has been going on for a while. We might play some other games today. Maybe not post another video because usually we don't, but we did one time a few days ago with cats. But me and Otto are very good at cats still. Oh no.
It's fine.
Because me and my brother, we've been playing that game for like...
But I don't like it.
Yeah, but sometimes we just play it. Because honestly, I like the game. Because like... do you want to play later, like some
No.
game tactics?
Yeah, sure, we'll do that because it's a very fun game.
Yeah, but my
I'll
brother's
show you.
dying because it's like everybody versus him, and my brother is the Soviet Union. It's like, and it's not you can, and it's also like it says like, oh, you can make history however you want. But what happens to the mystery orbs?
It's not, they're gone because
Oh wait, yeah.
every day there's something new.
Yeah, Otter gets to score like daily.
Seriously, I do.
Yeah, and I knew I'm gonna get like normally sometimes get like.
George might get like 80,000. And I messed up because
Oh
I.
no.
Hey, yo, what happened? Nothing.
Oh whoa, he started a new one.
So who thinks I can get to 500,000 before I die again?
500. You gotta get to 600,000 to beat one of those daily high
I
scores.
know.
Or else they like changes.
About to beat one right now. No, we're not. Emma, I'm just playing Subway servers.
Yeah. So it's none of your business.
Bruh.
Oh wait, you got wait. What happened?
Nothing.
What happened?
I wonder.
You probably shouldn't waste all my keys.
Yeah, you're right. I want to say that. No more using
But bro,
keys.
you can't die because bro, you're about to get the daily high score. Oh wait, no, you're not gonna get the daily high score until you bit. You gotta go to the 200 more thousand. Yeah, it definitely ups. Like, it's probably gonna be like 700,000. So that's why I said 200,000. Alright, you don't have to duck one like that. But also, did you know that Emmett's literally trash at this game? Like, bro. Like, what? Emmett's still record videos now. Well, Emmett doesn't need to be on the internet. So, he's only 6 years old, too. Well, Emmett, why do you even need a YouTube channel, though? At this age.
He's trying to compete with us. That's all he's trying to do.
Yeah, it's like, I think it's all fun and games.
Until there's fun games.
But we're not playing games. It doesn't matter. Because, like, mostly people fail to make, like, a big YouTube channel. But
Mr. Beast didn't.
yeah.
He just did random things.
Bro, yeah, they just do random things. The infographics show became a big YouTube channel.
Yeah, a lot of those made.
Yeah, and also we have a lot of subscriptions because, like, bro, we watch some videos. We don't always watch our videos, like other YouTubers. Like, bro, they just watch their videos, like, all the time. We mostly watch, like, stuff. I don't really know. But we have an Xbox, but it broke.
Yeah.
It was a good Xbox. We had Fortnite. Bro, I want to play the new season so bad. I'm pretty sure season 4 is already out.
No, it's not. Season 3.
I know.
Not season 4.
Yeah, but me and Otto loved dropping that Rocky videos because it was like the best spot to lose.
Because, like, no one went there. And then last season, you had to, like, oh, we gotta take that out. And, like, oh,
yeah,
no.
and then, like, we had
But we knew the place from hand to hand. Like, on the back of our hands.
Yeah.
Like, it was the back of our hands. So we knew, like, where everyone could go and where good hiding spots were. So we knew, like, where everyone would be. So that's why we technically did really good for that.
Bro, the Gaming Beaver definitely. We should download the Isle sometime.
Hmm?
We should download the Isle when we get like a PC. Well, maybe not a PC, because we're not saving up for that. We later in like the future, we're gonna be buying a VR headset. Me and him.
And we could do some.
Otto might buy his own, and then I might buy my own too, so we have separate. And then our little brother Emmett will be begging to play on it.
Nope. I want to buy my Xbox. Let me know.
Yeah, and then me and Otto are gonna play like Fortnite sometimes.
No, I am, because it's gonna be my Xbox.
I know.
So
we can play. We can play Halo. Maybe.
No, George, it's gonna be my Xbox. I'm not gonna let you
know.
play on it.
Sometime.
No,
You
not at
might.
all.
What if I?
Not at all. No matter what you do.
Otto, are you gonna like your tablet at that point?
I guess so. I'm gonna have to keep it still. Might
If
just be
you don't
broken.
like it, I might as well just.
No, you're not. No, sir, because I know what you're gonna be playing the whole time.
Not cats, maybe.
And definitely cats all the time.
No, because I like.
Anyways, we're
I like
almost...
strategy and tactics still. It's a pretty good game. Bro, do you know like the version with the bots, Otto?
Yeah, it's kind of... The bots are much harder than you think.
Yeah, the bots.
You
like,
download the game and then...
Yeah, like if you don't have like an online one, Like the online version is way better, but like still the real
There's no
players are
online
pretty hard.
version.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't. What do you mean?
Yeah, because like we play against real players. The AI, you know, the AI version was like the is like where like you have the boss. That's the AI version. And also you can see that we have 30 times multiplier. We had to we grinded like a lot on Subway Surfers. It was hard. Also, I don't know, but I'm probably gonna be teaching my friend how to post videos sometime.
Your friend?
Sorry.
Bruh, no.
Yeah.
He's gonna have the cringiest YouTube channel, trust me.
Not that cringy.
He's gonna be like the avocado who played games when he wasn't fat.
Bro, no, Otto, stop calling ourselves fat.
I said if he wasn't fat, jeez. And stop trying to convince Connor to get into jujitsu. You know he's gonna.
Bro, he wants to.
No, he wants to play football, bro.
And he wants to do jujitsu.
No, well, guess what? I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win against it.
Yeah, Otto hit a million.
Wait, could I just get new high score from you? How old I am? Oh my gosh, did you see that?
Bro, I'm gonna get my drink.
Go get it.
Let me but I do need some water. Look at my
Yeah? Is it there? What? Am I tripping on thin air again? Am I hitting thin air?
Yeah, I remember the time when I tripped on thin air.
Like, did I hit a hair in the sky? Like, did the cop?
Did the cop lose a piece of hair and then lost it on the tracks? Or did the constructor on the train lose his piece of hair and then
Probably.
Yeah. And then Jake hits it. Bro, obviously the Miss Maya skin looks fire.
But of course I can't get it. And
Yeah, it's like
the Miss
100
Maya skin
keys.
is not on the
Anyways,
fire.
we're getting like 100 keys for like the super run.
Not 100. We're just getting a lot.
That was a 200 booster down there.
Still pretty easy, to be honest.
Yeah.
I've beaten my old high score already.
Bro, I wish I still had my old tablet. My tablet still working. I literally had.
Bro, you broke my tablet so many times, dude. You broke the charger.
Bro, I don't even know how the charger even breaks.
And you got my tablet for some reasons, for no reason.
Yeah.
You just went on it, just like Emmett does now.
But I don't do that no more.
Yeah.
Bro, I don't, remember how good I was at cats?
But now you're gonna like trash.
No, I'm still good. But like, the carbon parts, like the carbon parts are like so good.
Yeah, everyone knows that.
I completed the game one whole time and then I restarted, but I got and now I had access to miniguns.
I mean, you get access to miniguns and cardboard.
Yeah, and it was honestly really good. And also, we are we are a friendly YouTube channel, so we don't swear.
But the music does.
Yeah, but that's the clean version of stay. So
Clean.
why is it clean?
I don't know, cause
Bro, hopefully baby got
yo,
bad
Mr. Clean
physical.
made this.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
He, Yo, bro, did I tell you that I was Mr. Fresh?
Yeah.
I had a rating of freshness. And then I had the max level was Mr. Fresh.
Bro, Otto,
Fresh.
we should buy a microphone.
Nah,
We need to buy one.
Wait,
Wait, what? Did you just glitch your mouth? He didn't like trip.
I hit a train. Am I getting a new high score right here, bro? No, that's no.
Wait, yeah.
So
You gotta
get
get to like 500,000.
no, 1.6. No.
Oh, and you've only used 2 keys, and like you used.
I've used 3.
Oh yeah, but not 3.
Yeah, 3, 1 plus 2,
Oh, yeah.
George.
No, I meant like I meant like you used like you went back alive 2 times. I meant that. But bro, it multiplies every time, and we have like no keys no more because like Otto, he got to like 600,000, and he used like more than 20 keys on that one. To get to 1.6 mil. But Otto gets better every day.
That is true. I currently am about to beat the high score with only using 3 keys. Like last time I did.
And reviving himself 2 times. Bro, why does Marshmallow starting to actually get popular?
Yeah, it always has been. Like
I
they're
never
with Kids Bob.
I never really liked him at the start. But like this song that he made, once I knew who the singer was, I actually started to like him.
Dude, she was always popular.
I know, but now I like him as a singer because when he
Not a singer, he's a DJ.
I know, but when he made what's it called? Happier. Yeah, this is Happier. This is like the first song I liked that he made.
He didn't make it, he's a DJ, not a singer.
I know.
But we've been going
It
for
says the person who made this song is Marshmallow. But he is a good DJ.
I love Kids Bob like that. Kids Bob's just
Bro,
too
I
old.
don't.
Kids Bob is too young for me, George.
Yeah, Kids Bop is like, bro. Like, who even likes it by this point?
Like it's all over Go Noodle though.
I know. Go Noodle is like. I mean, don't we have Go Noodle?
I don't. I don't have no. I mean, yeah.
But like, we don't even play it.
Oh,
Almost died.
clutch! I'm about to get 2 mil as well.
Yeah, we gotta get to 2 mil.
I don't have to.
Imagine it added like 2 mil.
Oh my god. Imagine the game just glitched and then it said, oh, 1, and it said, oh, you get 2 mil because we just glitched.
But that's really impossible. Oh wait, what?
Ship it on thin air again.
Or
Or maybe it's like the mines. Maybe it's like its hitbox, kind of like that.
Wait, if we're in Iceland right here in this, no, we do not live in Iceland.
We're in this the event.
Yes. And anyways, if we were in Iceland and we were camping, bro, we would be like shivering in our timbers.
Shivering your timbers.
That meme is like so old, right? This part?
It's not even a meme, bro.
I know. Bro, what? It's to the point where it gets so fast.
That you can't even like get any coins.
Yeah. Like at this point, you would just get like 100,000 in the horror game, cause it take like, bro, it take like 10, like 30 minutes of playing to get 200,000 in the horror version.
No,
Yeah, I'm serious.
you're lying.
No, I'm
Cause I
serious.
smoke cat.
Cause like it's, cause you know how when you're having fun, time flies by. Yeah, apparently it took me 30 minutes to actually get 200,000.
That's why I'm better.
horror game.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, I didn't see that. I thought that was a jetpack.
This song is really old.
Still good.
Yeah. It's in the movie Home Team.
Yeah, I know, Trish. No one likes it now because it was good, but then there
Bro.
we go.
Bro, me and Otto don't even like it by this point because our little brother watches it way too much.
Yeah, way too much.
Way too much.
Like when you watch a movie, then like
Bro,
you're
like
then like a little kid like says, I really like this movie. You know you're in bad. You know you're in big trouble.
yeah. Like the Polar Express. Remember when I used to love the Polar Express?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Bro, we'd have to watch
Got
it.
2 mil, Drew. You got 2 mil.
Alright. Good.
Oh, I got 2 mil. We've been filming for 31 minutes. It took that long.
Wait, not for 30 minutes.
31.
I don't know. I mean, you can't check. You'd have to pause the game to check, but our ass is not even recording at this point. Who knows?
It still is. I don't know that.
It better.
Well, that's just a big waste of time.
Yeah. This is one I actually like. I like the song when I watch Home Team. I don't know why. It's like whenever you watch a movie and there's like a song and then you actually like really
Because
like
it's a
it.
fit. Because it's a good fit for it. Like,
Yeah,
for the romantic scene.
Wait, no, it wasn't that romantic. It was like at the part where like they won the game. Well, slash like, well, you know how like he said, get as many points to the point where you break the scoreboard. Remember how the guy kicked the ball and then it hit the fan and the whole thing like exploded.
Oh my gosh, he
But
took
it
it too
didn't
seriously. He took it too seriously.
Bro, but that's when. If you guys don't know what the song American Pie is,
George,
it's about something that I don't know about, but I like the song. But you guys probably won't like it. It's a pretty old song. And anyways, we're not that old, so.
I'm only 11 and you're only like.
And I'm only 9. I'm about to get into double digits when it hits exactly October 1st. Then I'll be in double digits.
I'll see you the day of your birthday. I'm not supposed to do that, George.
My birthday's getting really close.
Don't say how old you are. That's bad because then people can hack us. Jeez. They could hack our mom's credit count. So don't say your name. What?
Lag. What do you repeat? Slowly.
We need score boosts. Trust me.
After this, we're gonna get a super mystery box. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully, we get the jackpot one. I'm pretty sure the jackpot's like. Before you open it,
Jetpack's 100,000 coins we really need.
what?
Come on,
Don't.
one last one. This. I gotta use boards now.
This is like your super one combo.
It's like the mini super run, the super mini run. The point, the first super run.
Shouldn't we go live for that one though? For the super run?
Yeah, we should.
But I forgot how to go live.
I don't know.
I figured out how to go live like a really long time ago. Can you even play Subway Surfers on a computer?
I don't think so.
Because like it would be super hard.
Too
Can
hard.
you play it on mobile? Because why not?
Wait, there's something up here.
Yeah, we should get. We don't want to budget expensive prices. How much is that?
Yes. 2,500.
And we could have multiplied that, but there's no internet connection for us right now.
I need to scoot over to it.
Well, that's gonna be really good.
So who thinks we can get to 2.5 mil? Which is an insane amount. But doesn't mean it's not possible.
This version of enemy isn't that good because this guy like takes over like the whole zone. But he is a good rapper.
It's not even rapping. I'm rapping, I think.
Bro, didn't I'm pretty sure what game was it called? I forgot.
What?
Oh wait, Dad's home. I mean, Dad's back.
Dad's home. What did you do then?
But no, we're not gonna lemonade because they didn't go to Starbucks. What I thought?
He did. Is it Coco?
No, wait, no. We have hot cocoa. That's what I said. You guys can do it if you want. If anyone else.
Oh my, perfect timing, boy.
This is the sunflower for like the Spider-Man.
It's a really good one. It's still popular.
This Spider. Hopefully that's not copyright, but like still, that movie is like the bomb. I like that Spider-Man movie. And this is Post Malone. I've always liked him as a singer.
Nope. Didn't jump in time. Who thinks we get 3 mil?
I do.
It's gonna be an amazing thing. But we've almost been, we've been like recording for 40 minutes.
Maybe not 40.
Yeah, 40, look.
No, 39 minutes. Jeez.
But still a lot.
Still, that
And now it's 40.
is a long time. It takes so long for Otto to die now.
Too long. I probably have lost like all my battery.
I don't know. He might die on the job. Well, Otto was at like 74, and then you played. Then you only played Subway Surfers. But obviously, Otto brought his tablet because we can't really do anything at Cascade.
Except for like swimming.
Yeah, and boating.
Then
Did Uptown
41.
Funky get like a
A
reward?
year. Yeah, in a year. The year.
A music award?
Oh my gosh, it's getting glitchy. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh no,
I'm doing
it's
too good.
super laggy.
Because I'm about to get to 3 mil, guys.
Well,
Oh.
can you imagine how laggy it was for the guy that got 2 billion? I mean, yeah, 2 billion.
Probably had a good phone or like iPad.
We need to get to like 4 mil because we want to get ahead of a guy in the gold, so we can get a reward.
I mean, dude, 4 mil is gonna be so hard.
And I know, it's still
Oh, no.
another mil away. Bro, all those already using a lot of boards. Last night it was so windy, and the night before.
No, last night wasn't windy at all.
Well, when you were up, you were like sleeping at that point, and then it was.
I had much better sleep because we know windy, no one was snoring. Sure.
I don't even snore. Mom doesn't snore.
She did.
Mom.
I think it was.
I mean, Dad does. You smell? Oh, it smells like bacon.
Yeah, we're leaving today.
Yeah, last night we had like the best dinner.
Yeah. TLBs, I think.
No, BLTs.
BLTs.
They're so good. My dad makes them like he toasts the bread. He put
Mayonnaise,
bacon on them.
mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato,
Yeah, and like
and avocado.
Bro, what that's the best combination.
Got 2 more boards left. That's bad.
Oh no.
But I got
don't
more
worry.
than 3 mil.
Remember, you can buy.
But literally, the high score, I could.
Oh god. Almost done. Oh, you almost dead.
Let me just die right here. I mean, not die, but.
Alright, there's a jetpack. That's good.
Oh yeah, we're on
60%.
60%.
Yours is like 10 battery percent.
And we're still. It's like a strain
No,
by
14.
this point.
14 battery percent. And you're this is an 83-minute long video.
Almost more than 10,000, finally. More than 10,000 coins.
And it took it into. Otto tried to hit that one time.
It was very close.
Yeah, he was at like 8,000. But like that's when we didn't have. We had like 25.
No, that's when
And
we
also
had.
why? And also
That's when we.
at
That's when we had like 19 times.
Yeah.
Jeez.
And we're using score boosters because.
What?
What the? Did you see how he was like floating? Oh, you know how yesterday?
What?
What? No. We have to.
Whoa.
We have to. We have to.
We only got 20 keys left. That means we.
6. Wait, no, it's 1.
That means this is our last time. This is our last chance to get the high score.
Ooh, this one. Fancy like featuring Keisha.
It's not. No more boards.
Oh, we can buy some.
Not right now. Or I spent all the money. Nope, we can't.
Oh, damn, we can buy a lot.
I need to buy as much as possible.
Alright, we have 20 seconds. No, wait, no.
26. 25 boards.
But why are these guys are talking about, like, in fancy, like, they're talking about someone from restaurants.
IHOP,
And,
Applebee's, Wendy's.
Yeah.
Mint loves this. Oh, let's go for pack. We go for 45 minutes. But at this point, it's got live stream.
No, even 20 here.
Almost 11,000 coins.
No, 46 minutes of recording.
What are you doing?
This is taking a really long time. No.
Whew. Oh, I don't think the cop can catch me.
What?
No!
No. We should go with me too.
I shared like. So, what's wrong with that?
So you complain. Emmett, stop complaining about everything.
Be grateful for what you get, Emmett. Jeez. I know, he's such an annoying kid. What?
Watch your tone.
He's not, he's being so ungrateful.
Honey?
You wasn't getting nothing, Emmett. No, I'm not.
Otto, should we tell him?
Tell him what?
Oh.
Oh my gosh, I literally double tapped.
No, wait, did you get the full one? No.
I got.
You're still gonna get that first.
Just do it, George. Okay, just do it.
Bob, can you turn on your internet connection for a little bit? Oh. Can you turn it on now?
You guys need to start packing up the clothes.
Okay. Guys, it seems like we're gonna have to end it right here.
Yeah.
So we'll probably end it.
Go
So-
for it.
So guys, today we're gonna end it right now with the high score of 3,550,179, and that seems a good place to stop. So bye everyone. George, can you say it as well?
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.